Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Don't Press a Button. Right now it looks like they're playing volleyball. I mean dodgeball. They have nothing. Yes, knock on the door. Yay. What? My head is big now. Apparently. Don't know when that happened. I think it was because of the poisoned candy. And I just blew up, so. This one. It's not this one. Uh-oh. I'm just gonna let them deal with that. I have pressed the button. Oh shoot, I fell. I pressed it again. Oh no. I'm not very good at this. This is the original Sword Fights on the Heights. Well, that person killed me. You know what? I have anticipated, and I thought of it. I am just gonna dance. Oh, well, never mind. I guess there's bombs. Okay, that's cursed. I won! Oh no, they're coming out of their graves. We need to kill them. Oh, a coin. If you're wondering why there's no sound, it's because I turned it off. I'm not getting another copyright claim. I think it was like music. I don't know. Oh, what is that? I don't want. Oh, a speed potion. Jump. Really? I just got my speed potion too, man. I wanted that speed potion. It's kind of disappointing. Run away. Oh, we're playing dodgeball now. What is that little thing? There's a little block on the ground. I think I got someone. No, I didn't. That person, stop catching them. Yay. I won. So yeah, this guy's gonna eat me now, apparently. There's something, there's poo on my head, okay? Get it off. I don't want it. I got it right. Oh, whoa. Apparently I'm flying. Alright, it's off. It's not aligned with the camera correctly, but still. Yeah, I won. I got 10 coins. Let's see if we could buy anything. Oh. Oh. What? That and a book. I have a duck. I know where the diamond is. I should have bought a flashlight, that's why. No, please. Dang it. I didn't find the diamond. I mean, it's obviously middle. It wasn't middle. Dang it. Oh. I guess I got launched into the air now. There's still just flying from the sky. And with that, this video comes to an end. This is the end screen now. You can click